I will be telling you the reasons why I won't be using or even recommending breaking bets anymore. All right. So I'll also tell you and I'll also show you a better alternative or option where you can get games and then play them, sure bets to be specific, and play them and make profits. Okay. So I have already made videos concerning breaking bets, telling you guys that it is a prediction platform where they capitalize on the differences of odds on different bookies and then showcasing it right on their platform so that people can play and make profits without making loss. All right. But I came to notice some shortcomings on the platform, and that is why I am making this video just at the moment. So guys, before we proceed in this video, if you are here for the first time, I'm going to appreciate if you give this video a like and then follow us on WhatsApp and Telegram via the links on the description section of this video. Very important, make sure you give this video a like. Okay, so if you have already done that, thank you very much. Now let's proceed in the video. I told you earlier that I'm going to be posting games, okay, and I'm going to be charging 500 naira. So if you check the description section of this video, I'm going to drop an account there. So that account, now you are just going to make a deposit of 500 naira. By God's grace, but from Thursday we are going to start posting our games. But I also have something to say about that. I have something to tell you guys about that, so just make sure you stick around this video because there are some basic things you have to do in order not to get blocked on any of these bookies or maybe shortlisted on any of these bookies. So make sure you watch this video very carefully. So now, what I was telling you guys earlier, I won't be using breaking bets anymore. I have already subscribed for breaking bets right over here, and you can see that they are only having 3 games. In fact, in the morning they were only having 2 games, and of which their percentage are very low. So I've gotten a better alternative where we can get games and then where I can, craft out some games and play and post it on our social handles, Telegram or WhatsApp, so that all of us can play and benefit from it. So you can see that they are only having 3 games. This one is just few seconds and is not recommended. It's not advisable to play a game that was posted just few seconds ago, due to maybe you might go to play this one. After playing, the odds might have changed, so you have to wait till it is stable. Okay, this one was already 2 hours, so this one is good. This one is 2 hours, this one is good. But this is the bad thing about this this platform. They don't post much games, and then I also noticed that the bookies right on this platform, these breaking bets, are not much. So therefore, most of the bookies are being, let me say, most of the bookies can easily shortlist you. You understand? So I'm not recommending them anymore, but rather I have another one that I'm going to recommend to you guys if you want to subscribe and start playing their games. So per week we do subscribe 13,800 for breaking bets. That's for every week. But this is another platform that I found that was better than breaking bet. Let me just go ahead to log in to this one. So this one is not breaking bets. That one was breakingbets.com, but this one is surebet.com. So on surebet, you can see earlier that we just saw only 3 games on breaking bets, but right over here you can see that we have 832 sure bets being posted right on this platform, and you can see that they have so many bookies right on this platform. I don't know if it is up to 2,000. Okay, it might not be up to that, but I believe it might exceed 1,000. Whereas on Breaking Bet, I don't know if the general, that's if you are to count the total bookies, if it is even up to 100, I don't know. And most of them, they can easily hang your money. But on this one, they do recommend both the good and the bad. So from it is now left onto you to go to the settings and set it right. But look at the main difference now that might cost you people a lot, and that might make you not to go for this site. On Breaking Bet, the weekly subscription is 13,800, but right here the weekly subscription is 41,000 naira. So that's the main difference. So if you know you can afford 41,000 naira, you can pay for SureBet weekly subscription or weekly service and then start making money from it. Okay, so you can see that there are different games right over here, and you can also see their percentages here. You can see 6%, sorry, you can see 6%, 6, 6, 5, 4. Sometimes you can even see as much as 100%, 90%, 45%, and so on. So this is how we are going to be, this is the platform that we are going to be using. So if you want to get on board right now, just as I told you guys earlier, that I'm going to be collecting 500 naira for a weekly subscription. I'm going to be collecting 500 naira. So as soon as I collect 500 naira, I am going to post games on our social media handles, and then everybody can play and everybody can benefit from it. So the weekly subscription is just 500 naira. Now don't think that I might post all these games, because even if all the games are 100 here, most times the only ones that are viable which you can play might be up to 30. Ask me why. This is the reason, because the odds do change. In fact, most of these bookies, they are also registered, maybe their agents are also registered on these prediction sites. So whenever they see that they are going to make loss, a very big loss, they do immediately run to their sites to change these odds. Okay, so you just have to understand that this might be called you might call it sure bets or whatever, but you still have to know that there is risk. There's nothing that doesn't have risk in this world. So just know that there are also risk in this place. Just like what happened to me was it day before yesterday? There was a time I played game. So after I played it on one site, when I tried to go over to the other site, that's, the two, there must be two bookies involved, as you know. So I have already played it one place. When I was trying to navigate to the second one, the odd has already changed. So I lost some money. I just had to go back to the first site and just cash out my money, and they deducted some good amount of money from it, and I lost some part of the money. So that was also what one of our subscribers also had similar problem. So that was what I wanted to tell you guys. If you know you are going to play a game, and you know that maybe these two bookies are being involved. Let me just use for example Sportybet and One Win. Make sure you play the game on the bookie that you know that is not so strong, or the dominance is not so strong in Nigeria, or maybe it's the weaker. Make sure you play it on the weaker one, because you know that Sportybet now is more flexible than One Win. Make sure you play it on the weaker bookie before playing it on the stronger one, because you know that the stronger one will definitely accept your prediction or your bets. But the weaker one, you don't know if they will tell you there's a problem or this or that. So make sure you try to play it on the weaker one first, then before playing it on the stronger one. So that's the first thing you have to take note of. The second one is make sure you don't create more than one account. Please make sure you don't create more than one account. If you are to create only one account. And another thing, which is the third thing, make sure you have your KYC verification ID. Maybe you have your voters card or your NIN. Make sure you keep it ready, because anything can go wrong at any time. You understand? Anything can go wrong at any time. Once we are posting our games, make sure you are also going to be active. Try to be active as possible. Immediately we drop a game, you play it. Immediately we drop a game, you play it. If you are making deposit of 500 naira, you just check the description section. You are going to see our account number there. If you make the deposits, after making the deposits, then you join our social handle, WhatsApp or Telegram, preferably WhatsApp. Then from there you can chat me up, show me your teller or your proof of payment, and I will add you to the VIP group where we are going to be posting these games. So this is just the little words I have for you right now. It's just the little words. As you can see here, there are so many games right over here, so many games. So you would keep playing and you keep making your money. I will try as much as possible to see that I'm going to be posting games. I'm going to be active so that everybody will be carried along. Okay, so everybody will be carried along right on this particular field and on this space. So you can see it right over here. Okay, so I remember something right now. We are also going to divide ourselves just as we did it before. We are going to divide ourselves. So if you know you don't have up to 5,000, okay, we are not even going to start with 5,000, but if, okay, let's make it 5,000. We are starting from 5,000. If you know you are not having up to 5,000 naira, it's better you don't make any payments. So now let's make it 5,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. I don't know which amount should be the highest. Which amount should be the highest? You can just comment on the comment section, because over here you can see calculator. You can see calculator. Not that you are not. If I post a game and you just use your head to just guess how much you are going to play on this bookie and how much you are going to play on this bookie, you might end up making a very big mistake and loss. Okay, so you can see that this one is 6%, and right on this site, Betano is giving it 2.65 odd, while Marathon Bet is giving it 1.78 odd. So you know these odds are not the same. It's not like it is 1.50 so that you're just going to divide your money exactly half. So it's not how you are going to do it. So this icon you can see here is a calculator. So let me just click on it. If you click on it right now, you can calculate how much you want to play the game, and it's going to tell you exactly how much you're supposed to use on Betano and Marathon Bet. All right, guys, so now let's say, for example, you are using 50,000 naira to play this game. 50, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 50,000 naira. Now you are going to be making a profit of 3,200 naira for this particular game, and this is what it said you should play over here. You are going to play on Marathon Bets 29,909 naira, while on Betano you are going to play 20,090 naira. So these are the amounts you are supposed to play on these different bookies so that it's going to balance. So make sure you are going to follow this calculator, because I'm going to divide ourselves. I don't know what will be the maximum amount, but if you know you are having above 40,000, you can just drop a comment on the comment section so that we can decide how much will be the highest that I'm going to calculate. Okay, if it is 50,000, is good. if it is 40,000, if it's 30,000, anyone you guys decide is also good. So if you want to make payments, just as I told you earlier, just check the description section of this video, make a payment, or preferably you can also join our social handles. Then you are going to see the account, you can demand for the account, you are going to see the account, you make payments. After making payments, then you just just tell me, just chat me up, show me your proof of payments, and I'll add you to the VIP group. So this is all you just have to know right now. I don't know if there's any other thing that I'm forgetting, but if you still want to ask any question, if you don't understand maybe something, you can always drop your comments on the comment section. I'll be readily available to answer you and also to attend to all your query. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.